If you're considering studying a master's in the Netherlands, stick right until the end of this video. I'll take you through the complete process of studying in Netherlands for a master's degree, including courses available, eligibility requirements, application process, fees, scholarship, student visa, and more. But before we start, remember that to apply to Dutch universities, your SOP or statement of purpose is a very important part of the application. And to help you, I'm giving away 50 plus SOP samples for free that you can use for inspiration. Just head to the pinned comment or description to download them for free. Now let's begin. Step 1 includes choosing your course and the university. So the Netherlands offers 1500 plus master's programs taught entirely in English, making it one of the best destinations for Indian students. Most master's degrees are 1 to 2 years in duration. Popular subject areas include engineering, computer sciences, artificial intelligence, business management, economics, international relations, law, public health, and environmental sciences. Some of the top universities for master's program are University of Amsterdam, TU Delft, Erasmus University Rotterdam, Leiden University, Utrecht University, and Tilburg University. Universities of applied sciences such as Han or Fontes are also great for practical, industry-oriented master's programs. To research programs, visit www.studyinNL.org and use the program finder. Always check the language of instruction. Most masters are in English, but a few are still Dutch taught. Step 2. Check eligibility requirements. To apply for a master's program, Indian students generally need a recognized bachelor's degree in a relevant field with good academic standing. Many universities expect at least 60 to 70% score in your bachelor's. Proof of English proficiency, IELTS 6.5 to 7 is usually required, TOEFL is also accepted. Some programs, especially in management, may ask for GMAT or GRE scores. Supporting documents like your passport, SOP, CV, and 2 to 3 letters of recommendation. Work experience is usually required for some specialized masters, such as the MBA. Step 3 is the application process. Applications are made through the centralized portal called StudyLink at www.studylink.nl. You'll need to create an account, choose your course, and submit your documents. Many universities also require you to apply through their own portal where you have to upload your SOP, transcripts, and recommendation letters. Make sure you check out the instructions of the university you wish to apply to. The main intake is September with deadlines between December and April depending on the university. Some courses also offer a February intake. So ideally start preparing your application 9 to 12 months in advance. Step 4. Tuition fees and scholarship. Tuition fee for master's program in Netherlands range between 12,000 to 25,000 euros per year depending on the subject and university. For living costs, set aside 800 to 1200 euros per month, covering accommodation, food, transport, and insurance. So there are plenty of scholarships available too, such as the NL Scholarship, Amsterdam Merit Scholarship, Leiden Excellence Scholarship, and Erasmus University Scholarships. Step 5. Student visa process. So once admitted, your university will help you apply for a Dutch student visa called the MBV visa or the residence permit. Documents required include your admission letter, passport, proof of funds for tuition and living costs, which is around 13 to 14,000 euros per year, English test scores, academic certifications, and health insurance. The visa is for 243 euros. And processing usually takes 4 to 8 weeks. As a student, you can work part-time for up to 16 hours per week and full-time during vacations. After completing your master's, you're eligible for the orientation year visa, which gives you 1 year to find a job. Once you get an employment, you can switch to a work permit and start your career in the Netherlands. So that was for today's video. I'm dropping the links to important websites and resources in the pinned comment and description along with 50 plus free SOPs, so do check it out. Thank you for watching and let us catch up in the next one.